In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make 1 to 10K per month affiliate marketing with 0 followers. Have you ever wanted to make money online, but you feel like you're automatically disqualified because you have 0 followers on social media? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use affiliate marketing to make serious income, even if you have no audience at all. I'll show you step by step on screen my evergreen affiliate system that consistently gets traffic and affiliate sales on autopilot without relying on social media followers or spending a dime on paid ads. The goal is making your first real income online through affiliate marketing. Picture this. You're sipping coffee like I'm here with my cold brew, checking your phone, and you see your very first commission notification pop up. That feeling of knowing you can literally earn money while you sleep, that's the big win I want for you. And success means not having to worry about huge follower counts, flashy brand deals, or expensive ad budgets. It means leveraging simple steps to turn your small network or even no network into real dollars. In just a minute, I'll reveal how you can do this without dancing on TikTok 3 times per day or becoming a social media influencer. You don't even need to show your face on camera. But let's get real. What if you do nothing? What if you keep believing that only big influencers make money with affiliate links? Well, here's what failure looks like. You're stuck watching other people rake in commissions while you're sidelined, never daring to place an affiliate link because you think no one's going to click on it. You remain in a vicious cycle of doubt, no clicks, no sales, no growth. Imagine the thrill of receiving your first affiliate sale. It's a rush of excitement, validation, and proof that you don't need a massive following to make money online. On the flip side, imagine the frustration of continuously posting TikToks or Reels, sharing links, or even buying ads, only to see 0 returns. That's the heartbreak we're trying to avoid here. So coming up, the simple blueprint to jump from 0 followers to real affiliate commissions. All right, if you're new to the YouTube channel or the podcast, a quick about me. I go by ODI Productions. I run one of the largest affiliate marketing YouTube channels with 280,000 subscribers. I'm also your host of the Affiliate Marketing Millionaire Podcast, a top 50 entrepreneurship podcast in the US. Now, if you're wondering why am I qualified to teach this, I've personally earned over 7 figures in affiliate commissions myself. And if anyone thinks because I have this large following, that's how I was able to get affiliate commissions. And the truth is, a lot of gurus online, they did get the majority of their affiliate commissions from their personal brand, which is something they don't tell you. But for me, I actually bought a Porsche 911 Turbo from faceless affiliate marketing before building my personal brand on YouTube, sharing my face, or selling a course online. The reason why I want to give back and why I just love the business model of affiliate marketing, I'm so passionate about it, is because it's allowed me to live my dream life as a college dropout. I already shared this in the last video, but some of you like the car stuff, so I'm just sharing right now that I was able to, buy a Porsche 911 Turbo, buy a Lamborghini. Getting to, buy these toys as a college dropout in my 20s is something that only affiliate marketing and the power of the internet allowed me to do. But what's more important than the cars and the toys, and something that I touched on in the last episode where, I'm not really that materialistic anymore, but just showing you the power of what affiliate marketing can do. And what's more important than all of this, honestly, is freedom. The freedom to work from home in my pajamas with no boss to answer to, spend more quality time with my family and my friends, travel the world, get into the best shape of my life. Honestly, if I had a 9-to-5 job, I remember what it was like to, come home just so tired. And how are you supposed to, really have the energy to work out or to cook healthy homemade meals from scratch, which is something I've been able to do pretty much every single day. And without the freedom of my time and my energy, how could I do these things? I just couldn't do this if I wasn't in control of my day, and even do fun stuff and have these hobbies like playing golf and tennis every week and learning piano and Korean every day. And with some of that time freedom, one of my missions and my purpose is to help students earn 4 to 5 figures per month profit with affiliate marketing like I've been able to do. So if you're interested in coaching and joining our live stream sessions here, then you can check out the first link in description to learn more. Okay, so let's do a quick overview of what I'm going to talk about in this video, and you definitely need to watch this to the end because I'll be sharing on screen exactly what to do if you have no followers and how to get your first affiliate sales. But the first thing we're going to talk about is why subscriber and follower count is not important anymore in 2025. Second, how to make 4 to 5 figures profit per month without being an influencer or having thousands of followers, including real live case studies, which are happening right now in April 2025. And my simple step-by-step evergreen affiliate system for attracting affiliate sales 24/7, 365 on autopilot without a social media following or paid ads required. So first, let's talk about why follower count is overrated in 2025. The first point I want to make is you do not get paid for subscribers or followers. Anyone who has ever ran a decently large YouTube channel, whether it's 10,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, or more, you know that you don't get paid for the amount of subscribers that you have. Instead, you get paid through the YouTube AdSense, which is the amount of views that you're getting per video. And as many people know who unfortunately have a large YouTube channel and don't get a large amount of views per video, or the views fall off, you know that your income is tied to the views and not to the subscribers. The main distribution of YouTube videos in 2025 is through suggested content in that feed. So it's through the algorithm. Small channels are getting more attention than ever before, while big channels struggle to get consistent views. And I know from experience with my own channel, but that's my fault because I just haven't been consistent when it comes to publishing on YouTube, and consistency is a really important factor. Now, it's better to have a small, dedicated following of 1,000 qualified buyers than to have 100,000 broke people who don't buy anything watching your videos. All right, quick plug to like and comment the video if you're finding the content that I've been making lately useful or helpful, or if you have any questions, ask me anything in the YouTube comments. So getting back to the video, let me share with you the first case study in 2025 of why I know that faceless affiliate marketing and having a following is overrated and you just don't need it. So in the last 34 days, I've created a faceless YouTube channel from scratch with 0 subscribers, and it's gained 46,000 views and 269 subscribers in the span of just over 30 days. So not only do I teach these concepts, but I like to experiment and do these case studies for fun just to see what's working right now and if the strategies and the frameworks that I'm teaching are actually effective. And I am telling you, it is easier now than it was 10 years ago when I was getting started on YouTube and building my blog back in the day. There are so many viewers on YouTube who are hungry to consume content. If you're an addicted YouTube viewer like me, then you would know that hundreds of hours of watch time is just being spent scrolling on YouTube, going down weird rabbit holes, watching videos. So the viewership is larger than ever, and you just need to have a strategy for how can you attract viewers, even starting with 0 subscribers here. And I want to make a quick point. This 34 days, what's funny is that during this time, reading comments and, just getting the same comments and questions about what if I have no following? What if I have no subscribers? And honestly, just making excuses that I've heard for the last 10 years doing affiliate marketing, where everybody is always making up some excuse. Whereas in this case study, 34 days of just putting my head down and just working part-time while I'm running my other businesses, being able to grow a faceless YouTube channel, 46,000 views from 0, 269 subscribers from 0. So that 34 days, you can either spend that time just making every excuse in the book, or you can just get to work and get results. I would much rather be in the driver's seat and focusing on being proactive as possible and trying to create and produce content and trying to grow my business than making excuses and just staying at that 0 with 34 days passing, because that's all it takes is 34 days to completely change your life and to get kickstarted. But people spend that 34 days just making every single excuse in the book. Now, the second case study I want to share is actually from one of my students in the mentorship, Tyler, who's earning $1,300 a month with just 200 subscribers. He actually shared recently in the Discord that his YouTube channel has now reached over 100,000 views, again, with just around 200 subscribers, but making 4 figures profit per month. Really, really proud of Tyler if you're watching this. So again, this is another example of not having a large following or being an influencer, but being able to make real profit and real income online. So just imagine if Tyler's channel, for example, instead of 200 subscribers, if he had 2,000 subscribers, right? By that time, the income would probably multiply. So I hope you're understanding my point about you don't need to have 100,000 or 500,000 subscribers or followers to make a real income. And you can actually make some serious money with less less than 1,000 subscribers. And I have other students who've been able to make multiple four figures with less than 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so let's move on to talking about what is the evergreen affiliate system. Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick overview and then I'm gonna show you on screen on my computer literally what to type in, where to look, and what to do to get your first affiliate sale. So, number one, we build online real estate through blog posts or YouTube videos. Those are two examples of online real estate. It could be other things. It could be like a Pinterest pin. It could be TikToks. But we build this online real estate for high purchase intent and evergreen keywords. Those are really important notes to emphasize. High purchase intent and evergreen keywords. That's why this is a 24/7, 365 autopilot machine, because the market is already existing. These people already want to buy what we are selling. Okay. A concept here is top of funnel versus bottom of funnel content. There's content that's more about awareness where people are just learning about a hobby or they're learning about a category of products. But then there's very specific bottom of funnel content that is the type of searches that people are going to do when they are about to make a purchase today. But in general, creating online real estate for high intent keywords leads to high conversion rates because these people are already warmed up. We're not chasing after cold traffic like people who are running paid ads and they're trying to do everything in one go. Like they're trying to raise the awareness, build the credibility, the authority, and try and make a sale all within like 30 seconds to a minute. We're just selling things to people who are already warmed up to the idea of buying that product. And keyword research, to take this online real estate metaphor, keyword research is like prospecting the land for the best opportunities where to invest in. All right, so let me show you a clear example here. And if you're listening to the podcast, you might want to hop over to the YouTube video so you can see this on my computer screen of exactly an example of how to build this online real estate and how to get sales with having 0 followers if you're just starting out. So I'm showing an example of a product here on Amazon. This is some skincare product, CosRx, snail mucin, power repairing essence. Okay, this is some skincare product that is extremely popular. It's the #1 bestseller in facial serums, and 100,000 plus people bought this in the past month, and that's reported by Amazon. So Amazon started adding this number to the product listings where you can see the volume of people buying a product per month. And typically you'll see anywhere from the hundreds per month to the thousands per month. And in this case, this is an exceptional 100,000 plus people bought this product in the past month alone. Okay. So think about Amazon. That's just one example, but there's millions of affiliate products out there. There are thousands of people already buying the products per month. And you have a chance to get a percentage of those sales by being the middleman. And let me show you the next step. So this step right here is just to see products that are popular to just give us ideas of what we could potentially sell through, for example, the Amazon Associates affiliate program. That's just one example right here. Now, I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in a keyword phrase. And that keyword phrase is the product name, which is CosRx Snail Mucin Review. I'm adding the word review because every month, thousands of people search this keyword, and using my SEO keyword research tool, I can see that there's a volume of 6,600 searches per month to decide if this is the right product to buy. Now, going back to my point about top of funnel content versus bottom of funnel content, this would be bottom of funnel content. People who are looking up reviews, they already know the product that they're interested in. They just want to decide if it's right for them. And again, this has 6,600 people per month searching this keyword. And then if we go back to Amazon, there is proof that 100,000 people per month are buying the product. Now, when I see an opportunity like this, the next step is to build our online real estate going after this specific keyword. And in this example right here, on page 1, the third result just below Reddit is a tiny blog with only 15 out of 100 domain authority. That is really low. Anyone who knows SEO, or even if you don't, a 15 out of 100 is really a fairly new site that barely has any domain authority at all. And this specific blog post, which as you can see is going after that keyword of the CosRx Snail Mucin Review, it's estimated to be receiving 620 visits per month from this one single blog post. Now, here's the thing. These numbers are always underreported. So if it says 620 per month, it can easily be 2 to 3 times that amount in terms of real traffic. It could even be 10x as much. I don't know why it is, but this is because these numbers reported are just estimates. But as a site owner myself, I know that if you're top 3 for a term that has 6,600 visits or searches per month, then you for sure are probably getting way more than 620 visits per month to that blog post. But regardless, this is an example of not having any sort of following, not having any sort of background, and showing up literally as the third result on Google with a very low domain authority, and you are getting a percentage of those juicy sales of a product that sells over 100,000 units per month, has 6,000 people per month searching that exact phrase, and it might be more. So that's just an estimate, that's 6,000 per month. It might actually be double that or triple that in my experience. And you're third on the list here, even as a new website and new domain. Now, here's the cool thing. You can do this exact same thing with a YouTube video as well. And that is why my strategy, I think, has been so effective throughout these 10 years and even more so today, because I like to focus on not only establishing that technical SEO on page with your website and a blog, like this blog is doing right here with, such a low domain authority and ranking for such a big term, but I also like to double it up with YouTube, which is another ball game. It's another channel that can get so much sales. All right, so if you found that useful and helpful and gave you clarity on exactly what you need to do, even if you have no following, like and comment below. And also, if you have any questions, ask me anything in the YouTube comments. I always love helping people out. If you're interested in working with me, my one-on-one mentorship program is currently 80% off for a limited time. First link in the description to learn more, or book a quick chat to see if it's right for you. Now, if you want to keep learning, I'm going to link some relevant videos and a playlist here so you can watch. But the key is you need to take action, or else you're going to be stuck in that vicious cycle of doubt and of zero sales, zero traffic, unless you're actually creating online real estate on a daily basis and expanding your online real estate empire. You have to get to taking action if you want to see something change.